It is the 32nd Summer Olympic Games Tokyo 2020. We are at the main press center in Tokyo, and with me is the press attaché of Team Sri Lanka to the Games. He is also the Assistant Secretary of the National Olympic Committee of Sri Lanka. Wing Commander retired Chandana Liyanage, welcome.
Thank you.
And thank you very much. You have made all the arrangements for the local press to be here. 14 of them are here already. And just to find out the feeling as far as the organizer is concerned.
Yeah, we all are excited. Thank you, Harita, asking that question. And yes, we from Sri Lankan point of view, yes, we plan to give the best facility and best accommodation and best available resources for our Sri Lankan press team. And coming into the event, right now we have 6 athletes in village, and another 3 they are coming on 24th and 25th.
Yeah, the good thing about this is that for the first time, the National Olympic Committee has taken it upon themselves to not only facilitate but also sponsor the media team, the 9 of us who are here, plus the accommodation part as far as the national television crew. The facilities, as you mentioned, at the suite in Tokyo Bay is fantastic. I mean, it's almost 6-star, and we are very thankful to the National Olympic Committee of Sri Lanka for that. But in hindsight, when you look at it, it's a logistical nightmare. We have seen so many good systems, but delays and hiccups in that system because of the health concern. How do you think that the organizers are going to get through the next 20 days?
Yeah, Harit, in fact, yes, it's a nightmare in terms of logistics. We had a lot of issues. We came little early. Myself, CDM Gamini, and we came little early. In fact, Dr. Iman is also came early because we knew that there's a logistical issue is coming up, and we were basically preparing for it. And as you said, yes, COVID actually hampered many activities. In fact, the Tokyo 2020 organizing committee, they themselves are aware that, and they are basically planning well ahead. There are few things that which not gone the way that they wanted. However, day by day they are improving. The style of Japanese, how they do. They want the perfection, and I think and I hope they will deliver the best ever Olympics with all these new normal circumstances.
The big challenge for the International Olympic Committee, of course, was to hold the event with all these concerns, especially arising out of the situation in the country as the host country. But the president of the International Olympic Committee, Mr. Thomas Bach, who is here, he has delivered in style. When you give the confidence from the organizers' point of view and the authority as far as the games is concerned, what is his view? I know you all have had contact with him here in Tokyo.
Yes, we have had a very casual meeting, and the official meeting is yet to come after the opening ceremony. And yes, he himself is very confident. In fact, the Tokyo 2020 organizing committee, they themselves very confident. And very few hiccups here and there, like transportation, and sometimes this daily PCR testing. Those things are some of the concerns, and it was not the way that they were planned. But I'm quite positive. Yes, they will deliver the best.
Very few people can get it to the athletes' village, and you are there. What's the general scenario?
Yeah, it was. The scenario, if you look at, yes, it's very carnival atmosphere. However, people are still wearing the mask, and that is compulsory. And as much as possible, try to maintain the social distancing. And during the meal sessions, again, they are very cautious. Need to wear gloves, and then wear mask and sanitization all the time. So a lot of COVID precautionary measures being taken place. At the same time, we can interact with all other countries. There are about 204 countries right now who is taking part in this game. I heard that North Korea is still haven't come. So if you look at the atmosphere, it's really good, but with a lot of precautions that people are working around.
What's the message on behalf of the sponsors, the partners, and everybody else, the public in Sri Lanka? What's your message from here?
Yeah, from the sponsors' point of view, I think we, as the National Olympic Committee, we have taken the best ever possible brand visibility for our sponsors. We have 3 tiers of sponsors, and we are right now delivered most of it. I think 80% of our promises were delivered right now. It's a matter of taking them through the games. I hope that sponsors will like it, and I personally believe that we are delivering above their expectation. In terms of general public, please do rally around with our 9 athletes. They are very confident. They will do best ever possible during this game. I have spoken personally to the 6 athletes who are here right now, and they are doing their best during the training time. They are doing fantastic job, and the coaches and the managers, they are behind them, and the CDM every day. So I think this time we should have some good results. So general public, I think you need to support, rally around, and do your best.
Thank you very much, Press Attaché to the Tokyo 2020 Olympic Games in Japan. We are just about to get daily PCR test. We have the first visit to the main press center here in Tokyo. This is like living in Mars, and with the mask and everything, it's out of this world. But it will happen, it will get going, and we will bring you a lot more with this side of stuff for the NOC media. Thank you very much.